This video is going to be really fun. Hey everyone, it's Jackie. Welcome back to my channel. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you will know that one of my favorite things that I use every single day is my day planner. Specifically, this blue passion planner. In today's video, I am going to be unwrapping one of my birthday presents with you. It's from my mom. It just arrived in the mail, and yes, it's my new planner for the upcoming 2020-2021 academic year. You'll see which planner I got and some of the goodies that came with it. I will also describe how the ways in which I use my planner has evolved over the past year and talk about how I use my planner as a tool to help motivate me through my studies and towards achieving some of my big life dreams and goals. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jacqueline Beaulieu. I'm currently a PhD candidate. I study at the University of Toronto in the higher education program. This channel is about personal development, productivity, academic tips, higher education, things I research, things I love, and I hope you will love too. And a special shout out to my planner and stationery nerds. You will feel right at home here. If these topics interest you and you would like to be amongst the first to receive updates from my channel, please click the subscribe and notifications bell so that will happen. Current subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Although there's quite a few of you who watch the channel and aren't subscribed yet, I'd encourage you to do so as it's very helpful to me in terms of helping to get some of these videos out and for more people to learn about our community and join. I can't wait to open my birthday present any longer. Let's do this. So I've pulled things out of the envelope and it looks like we're starting with these tabs. They're so pretty. The only thing is that they're actually the wrong tabs. I had ordered a vibrant package, and so it's just some different colors that are quite vibrant. This is the pastel pack. They're really pretty. Note from future Jackie, I emailed Passion Planner and they emailed me back right away. They're sending the new tabs for free. They're amazing. Love you, Passion Planner. The next thing that I got was this sticker book, and the stickers are so pretty inside. I can't wait to open it. Look at how cute these are. They're so pretty. I just really love the gold foiling. I mean, just look at these pretty stickers. What gal would not want to have these in her planner? And now for the moment we've all been waiting for. Well, I've been waiting for. Here's my new planner. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, I just love the color so much. So really quickly, a cool thing about this planner is that it is a get one, give one company. So when you purchase a planner, they donate another planner to someone who can't afford to buy one for themselves. Everyone should have the opportunity to pursue their goals, and a planner helps. Another thing is that $1 from each planner that has a special color and cover design is donated to charity, and this one is donated to Girls Who Code. So tonight I'm actually going to be working on one of my favorite pages in the planner. That is the Passion Roadmap, where you basically think of, if the limits were endless, what would you want to achieve in 3 months, 1 year, 3 years, and in your lifetime. I'm excited to see how this year's list compares to last year's list. I find that so fascinating. And a cool thing is that you actually get to repeat and update this exercise 6 months in the planner. So I'm gonna have some fun working on that right now, and I'll check back in with you in the morning to let you know how it went, and also let you know how I'm using my planner these days, especially in light of COVID-19, to help me with my motivation and productivity. So have a good night, and I'll see you in the AM. Welcome to the next day, everyone. So I'm going to talk about how I've been using my planner these days. There's a bit of a meme going around on the internet saying, like, why the heck did I buy a planner during 2020? And I have to admit, the ways that I've been using my planner are different than in the past. Because I've been working from home and the number of meetings that I've been attending have been reduced as a result, there haven't been as many formal things to put in my planner, so what do you use it for? The reason why a planner remains valuable in 2020 is the power of paper and pen. Using a planner helps me on a weekly and daily basis to really think about what is most important in my life, especially during this strange time, and of the time that I have available to me, how do I truly want to spend it? What are the priorities? What is most important? I'm currently using a dual system right now. I use Notion to chart the big picture goals and dreams that I want to achieve. I plan to do a much more in-depth video on Notion in the near future. For now, here's my dashboard. I've adjusted items for privacy reasons, but this is a sample of what it might look like. In my Project Central, I have key upcoming tasks. Each of them has their own page and subpages where I list all the things I need to do in relation to that task. Notion is about the big picture. It's about everything. My planner is more like a weekly and daily breakdown of what I'm going to do to stay focused on what matters most. The magic of my planner is that it allows me to see time in half-hour increments. So at the start of the week, I can think about, okay, this is the time I have available to me. What can I realistically get done? It enables me to look at the week and see the important things that I've already committed to, and then to further consider, of my dreams and goals, what is most important, and therefore, what do I really need to focus? And for some reason, it's a lot easier for me to figure that out using pen and paper. Quick tip from future Jackie as I'm editing. When you work with a paper planner, because you're writing in a book, it feels more permanent what you're committing to, and so there is a greater sense of commitment, I find, when making my plans for a day, knowing that that is going to sort of last in that book. And it just makes me also kind of want to feel additionally proud of how I approached my day. An electronic organizer, it's easier to kind of move things around and delete, and while that's good in some ways because, we're not always going to hit our targets 100%, it's easier to cut corners and cheat a little bit in terms of your plans. So that's another benefit of using a paper planner in my view. And so looking over the bigger picture dreams and goals and higher order tasks that I've recorded in Notion, but also at the beginning of my passion planner, I come up with a list of what can reasonably be accomplished. I chart it into my half-hour by half-hour schedule. I revisit it every single morning and it guides me through my day. Pretty much, if I follow the plan, I have the best chance possible of achieving my goals and dreams. That's just it. Getting distracted, especially getting repeatedly distracted, reduces the chances of those things happening or makes it longer to get there. And so that's the role that my planner currently plays. It's also an accountability piece that helps me see how I did over the day. For example, here's today's schedule and it all happened. I did an online coffee meeting. I took half an hour to just get organized. I got my lunch and ate it. I then did some focused dissertation time, focusing on some of the tasks that I've written down for myself, but also in my Notion organizer. And there was an exercise hour, which was great. I headed out on a trail for an hour. And then things ended up taking a little bit longer. I actually ended up finishing filming after dinner. If I wanted to have a shot at posting this video at 9 a.m. tomorrow, which you're going to be seeing, then all the stuff needed to get done first because dissertation just comes first. So I knew I needed to follow a plan. I also successfully won my appeal of a parking ticket that I received earlier this week, so I was happy about that. And the reason you don't see much the previous day is because I wasn't feeling 100%. And I think on any day when you're not feeling 100%, you shouldn't really be trying to push yourself too hard or really scheduling yourself. That's not gonna help you feel better. So I'm feeling great today. Anyways, my planner is a great accountability buddy. I also think it serves as a wonderful memory book. And it gives me a sense of what I've been up to over time and how I've been using my time. And that can help coach me on tweaks I can make to improve how I'm performing and just really helping me to ensure that, I'm doing all I can with the one life I have and making the most of it. Plus it's fun because you get to use fun stationery, and who doesn't love that? Well, maybe some people don't. You can be more of a minimalist if that's the case. That's cool. I also use the blank spaces and the guided spaces in my planner to do some weekly and monthly reflections, so it serves that purpose as well. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video and that it gave you some insight into how I'm using my planner in 2020. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. It certainly helps the channel and signals to others that this is a great video that they might enjoy. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. It really helps the the channel, and it will also alert you if there are new videos available to watch. We are at the start of what promises to be a beautiful weekend here in Toronto, so until my next video, have a beautiful and productive week. Bye, friends.